customer brought this iPhone XS Max all the way from US with a blue line on the screen that needs some fixing. So we're going to be replacing this screen with a brand new one. I'm also going to be letting you know some special tips about this iPhone XS Max. And so the first thing we have to do, we have to remove both screws, which is at the down of the phone. And while removing it, after removing the screw, then we look for a sharp object to open it from the down. As you can see what I'm doing, you have to open it from the down, and you have to be careful. There's flex at the right side, and this is how the screen looks at the inside. Then the next thing we have to do, we have to remove, because we're going to be replacing the screen with a new one, so we have to remove the screws holding the screen where the screen connector is. We have to remove the screws. That's what I'm doing now. After removing them, I remove the seal. That's the metal that is covering the battery and the screen connector. After removing the metal, then the next thing I'll need to disconnect the cables holding the screen, which is what I'm doing. After removing the screws, then you disconnect the cables, which is what I'm doing right now. At times it may be difficult to remove, but you can see what I'm using to remove it. If you have something like this, or you can still use your finger to remove it. So once you disconnect the battery first, then disconnect the screen and everything, then the next thing I will have to do is this. I will have to remove the screen from the phone. As you can see, this is the old screen, the one with the line. So we're going to be replacing it with a new one, which is this one. This is a new screen which we're going to be putting. We're going to be using to replace the screen. Then the next thing we have to do is to remove the earpiece, which is also the earpiece which comes with the connector. We have to tighten it to the new screen, then connect it on the board of the phone. After connecting it, then we fix all the screws that was removed. So while we're fixing all the screws on the phone, and make sure you don't forget any of the screws, then replace it. After replacing the screws, then the phone can now be able to test run the phone to see if it's working perfect. But we have to fix all the screws first, which is what I'm doing right now. I'm fixing all the screws. So when I'm done fixing the screw, this is how it looks like. I will have to close it. After closing it, then tighten the two screws that was removed at the down of the phone. It's just two screws. Then you can see how it looks like. Then we have to on the phone. As you can see, it's working perfect. Please don't forget to click on the like button and share, and lastly, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more of these videos. Thank you for watching.